Hello everyone. So if you want to add, move or remove widgets from your home screen on your Redmi Note 13, so first of all, hold your finger on a blank space and tap widgets. Here you can see a list of all of the widgets which you can add on your phone. It's actually a huge list. It's really customizable and that's cool about Android phone. So for example, want to add a calculator, simply alright, no space on this page, so hold on your widget and now we can transfer it to our blank space, blank page. Oh, as you see, it's quite a huge one. So if your widget is not on the right place and you don't like it, you can hold it, and as I just showed you, you can drag it freely if there is enough space on your page, right? However, this widget is a huge one. However, if you got something unnecessary, let's set up something unnecessary which we don't really want to use. For example, this notepad, right? All right, I want to move it. Let's just put it here. So if you want to delete something, simply hold on this widget and simply tap remove, and now it's removed. Easy is that. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.